हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट चैप्टर 5, that is arithmetic progression. For the understanding of the concept, let us take some examples. There are certain patterns of the number are written. In junior classes you would have read. Simply the numbers we take 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. These numbers also have a pattern. Each number is obtained by adding 1 to the previous number. This is a pattern. You can write another pattern 2, 6, 18, 54. In this pattern, any number is obtained by multiplying by 3 to the previous number, means 2 3 are 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 3 are 54 onwards. Means a series of numbers which are having certain rule, that is called the sequence. In this exercise we will discuss something about the sequences. Suppose I am taking another, I am writing a sequence, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Which type of sequence is looking this or pattern you observe? I am writing this actually the square of the numbers, natural numbers. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16 onwards. This is also a pattern, because in this pattern each natural number is being written as a square of something. And if the rule is given to you, you can obtain any term of that sequence. In this exercise 5a, first question is written, nth sequence has been given. Nth sequence means you can say the general sequence or general term, you can say general term. First part has been given in the question, an is equal to 3n plus 1. It means if you substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, what you will get? You will get a1, a2, a3 onwards. Means when you will substitute 1, you will obtain a1. a1 means the first term. Here a1 is equal to first term, a2 would be second term onwards. Whatever question saying, suppose it is asking calculate the 10th term, it means you will substitute the value of n is equal to 10. Now question is saying find the four terms. Find the four term means you will have to obtain a 1, 2, 3, 4. Means a1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 1. In place of n you will put 1. Then you are calculating 3 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. a2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. a3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. a4 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. Now these are the four terms of the sequence. It means if you write the terms like 4, 7, 10, 13 onwards, lot of terms you can calculate, not only 4, but question is asking for 4, that's why you are calculating only 4. Observe the pattern. As I have given the example in the beginning, the same thing is being followed. 7 is obtained by adding 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. It means in this sequence each term is obtained by adding 3 to the previous term, and this was the rule, working rule for the pattern. In this previous example whatever I have taken, only 1 was added to each number, but in this case 3 is added to the each number. Similarly other questions also have been given. Nth term has been given, you have to simply put the values of n 1 2 3 4, or in the given question it is 20th or whatever has been given. So today you have to solve exercise 5a Simply it is based on the sequence. Thank you.